What's up, YouTube? Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Please excuse the AI voice in this clip. I'm going to harvest some Gold Coast Okra, Grand Marconi Peppers, and Katrina cucumbers. The cucumbers vines will be removed so I can reuse the bucket. I will be planting Big Daddy's greasy collards in them tomorrow. Let's get started.
First thing we're going to get is some okra. Next, we're going to go to the Marconi Peppers. Here, nice looking peppers. You got a fairly decent amount of peppers. Next, we're going to go over to the cucumbers. Some of the cucumbers look kind of deformed, but they're still edible. here's the harvest. We got pretty decent fair amount of cucumbers and peppers and 2 pieces of okra. So, as you can see, the vines have been removed from the 2 buckets with the straw, and in my 5-gallon bucket holder there are now 4 5-gallon buckets. So tomorrow I'm going to plant 4 Big Daddy Greasy collard greens, 1 in each bucket. The 2 without the straw have already been amended, so we can bypass that step. The other 2 I think are good enough, so I'm not going to amend the soil. And we'll do a video showing how we do that. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this little quick video of doing a little harvesting, the final harvest of Katrina cucumbers for this season, and doing some Marconi Peppers and some okra. I appreciate you coming along. If you enjoyed the video or got anything out of it, give me a thumbs up. And at this moment, take time to consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. First things first, it's free. It doesn't cost you anything. And if you do subscribe, the benefits to me, well, my channel will get, the video will get played more, my channel will grow, and overall, that helps me. If you do subscribe to the channel, go ahead and hit the like button and the notification all bell, and you can share the video. Always remember and never forget that even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a lot of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.